To the 21st video of basic Chinese course. In this video we will learn about the numbers from 61st to 70. So the contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing, and practice session. In 9th video we have learned about the numbers from 0 to 10. In this new lesson we will learn from 61 to 70. Do you remember in 19th video we have learned how do we say 60 in Chinese? It's 60, this one, 60, okay? This 60 number we will use from here up till here. Okay, so now start the new lesson. 61 is 61, okay? 61, 62. 63 is 63. 63. 64 is 64. 64. 65 is 65. 65. 66 is 66. 67 is 67. 68 is 68. 69 is 69. 69. And the last one is 70. So 70 we say 70. 70. Okay, now let's take a revision. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 70. Okay, the new lesson we will revise it again. 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69, and the last one is 70. Now comes to the characters typing session. 61 61 61 62 62 63 63 63 64 64 64 65 65 65 66 66 oh sorry 66 okay 66 okay this character 66 67 67 68 68 68 69 69 69, and last one is 70 70. Okay, 70, there is no character for 70. Okay, number 2 character 70. Okay, let's review it.
61 61 62 62 63 63 64 64 65 65 66 66 67 67 68 68 69 69 70 70
Now comes to the practice session. 阿里跟我读61
61
62
62
63
63
64
64
65
65
66
66
67
67
68
68
69
69
70
70
This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.